This is G.
G.
G is the neck sound. We make it deep down in our necks.
G.
G can stretch into other sounds. G rumbles out from our neck when it goes into other sounds.
G. G. Go.
G likes to go into words like girl, garden, goose, and guitar. G's favourite letter is letter G. G loves to go into letter G. Maybe it's because the hook at the bottom of G reminds G of its neck.